I'm a monkey.
I'm a monkey.
I ate the fridge.
You eat fish.
That's why it's not there.
Hey.
Gaby, say hi.
Hey.
Show me the lollipop.
Papa.
Yeah. Ooh, lollipop. Can you eat it? Say hi, Mama.
No lollipop. Say, I ate the fridge, Mama.
It's gone. Where'd it go? What happened?
It's in my tummy.
Tummy.
You ate the fridge?
Tummy.
You ate the fridge? Why?
Dad.
'Cause why?
I was hungry.
Cookies.
So there's nothing to eat. I had to eat the fridge.
Where's your water?
Gone.
Gone?
Where'd it go?
In my tummy.
Say bad, Grandma.
Papa gone.
Tell. Say bad, Grandma.
Papa gone.
Say, I want my fridge.
Give it
Yeah.
back.
Say now.
You gonna cry? Are you gonna cry? Let me see you cry.
Do pretty eyes. Say please, Grandma.
Look at Daddy and say, please, Grandma. Let me see you.
Say please, Grandma.